Have you ever looked up the night sky and felt mesmerized by the jewels that flickered and danced in the night? The cosmos and all it holds has fascinated mankind since the days of its creation, and whole culture have sought to map the heavens, to chart the paths of these celestial bodies and learn what they were. With the Asynx Planetarium, you can bring the night sky to your desktop. Plot and follow planets, stars, and constellations as make their way through the galaxy. See it happen in real time or fast forward a minute, a day, or even a month at a time. You can even travel backward and see what your ancestors saw so many decades or centuries ago. With Asynx Planetarium, the sky is in your fingertips.
Good day! I will introduce to you on how to operate the Asynx Planetarium.
Asynx Planetarium screen is broken into 3 main sections: the skybox, the controls, and the information sections. Skybox is the largest and of course the most interesting part of Asynx Planetarium. From here, you can see the stars as they would appear in the heavens from any point on Earth, even on your own backyard. Constellations are marked, so you can easily find the name of constellations and star in it. Next, the drop-down box contains controls to advance the time running in it. As you can see the dates from this information section, the moon phase of the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere. The next numbers are the distance of these objects continually updated. This is the date, and the moon phase from this north hemisphere. Next, these informations are the distances of each planet from the Earth. Let's try to move on for this animation. Next, let's go to the menu bar. Let's see the preferences. This is the compass, the celestial bodies, the size and symbols, toggles whether constellation outline are displayed, and so on. Updated data. Asynx Planetarium automatically updates itself weekly, so you can update forcefully by selecting this command from the menu bar. Let's go to the shortcut bars. This is Skybox horizontal view, the Skybox geocentric view, the heliocentric view, that's the heliocentric view. Next, the geocentric view. Let's go to the Asynx Planetarium website. You can also donate to Asynx Planetarium. Read the online version of the Asynx Planetarium manual. You can also launch the online location of this editor. Send an email to tell others about Asynx Planetarium. And lastly, to view the credits to Asynx Planetarium.
Good day! Welcome to our astronomy class. This week, we have discussed about stars and constellation. So, to end this week's discussion, we will have an activity using Asynx Planetarium. Now, I want you guys to pick a partner because our activity is a collaborative one using the Asynx Planetarium constellation map. The objectives of this activity are the following. First, recognize constellations and stars which is present in that constellation. Second, correctly name the constellations and stars presented. Third, work collaboratively as a pair. This activity is very simple. Each pair should identify the constellation that I will be pointing in this constellation map. Second, the pairs should identify the name of the stars which is in that constellation. Lastly, I want you to write your answers in the following form. First, write the name of the constellation followed by the name of the star. Identify this constellation and name the star. 1, 2, and 3. Let's proceed. Okay. Done. Let's have this constellation. Identify and name the star. 1, 2, 3. Let's proceed. Let's proceed to another constellation. Let's have this constellation and name the star. Next, we have this constellation and its star. Name it. And we are going to the next. We have this constellation and please identify the star or name the star. We have discussed this last meeting. Another constellation and the star. We have that last meeting. You should remember that. And we have this constellation and its star. Rename or name the star. The last, this constellation. Name this constellation and its star. And time's up. Finish or unfinish, please pass your work. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's discuss the answers. Number 1, it's Orion, and the star is Betelgeuse. Number 2, the answer is Lepus, the hare, with its stars Nihal. The third is Scorpius, with its star Antares. The next star is Leo. And the star's name is Igeba. The next star is the star of Bootes, Arcturus. The constellation is Bootes. And this is Gemini, with its star Castor. Let's move on to the second to the last. Let's have this constellation. And this constellation is Aquila, and its stars Tarazed. Then, let's move on to the last. This is Cygnus, the swan, with its star's name 37 G Gam Sig. Sig, which means Cygnus, which means the name of the constellation. And that's it, guys. Scores will be posted next meeting. Bye!